आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं जहां वफाकी वजीर कानून सरदार ऐयाज सादिक तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Given this cue that we should try and arrange something so that we could invite the honorable judges to the Islamabad High Court, from the Islamabad High Court as well as the Supreme Court of Pakistan. I don't want to be political at all, but I was part of the restoration of judges movement, and I also had the honor of being behind bars in the Court Lakhpat lockup, and that was yet another experience what we encountered. We were fighting for the supremacy of the judiciary. We were very focused, but there were lots of ups and downs during that process. There was a lot of pressure also, but somehow Allah was kind that we were able to, together with the legal fraternity, fight that cause and make it successful. And when I hear from politicians talking of martial laws, talking of saying, what if martial law comes, that really breaks my heart, and that is something which I think we need to look into. I think a statement of that sort does not only derail democracy or degrade democracy, I should say, but also puts a lot of burden on the honorable judges of the courts, as we should all together, the legal fraternity had a major role in that. The way they stood with the system that was derailed during General Musharraf's time was really heartening to see that yes, we want a rule of law. And I think since then, after that, at least we might not have improved ourselves in the parliament also. There is always need for improvement, but I am sure of one thing, that people like us who have gone through the process, the judges community, the lawyers community will definitely never entertain or even think of something like a martial law in a country like Pakistan. And I hope there are no other statements or no statements from any politician. When I heard day before yesterday, I did feel sad and angry also. Pakistan was not made to be derailed from the existing democratic system. It needs to be strengthened. And our strength should be to talk to each other and to discuss issues and resolve issues. So I hope sense prevails with those leaders who talk of derailing or who talk of martial laws for their personal interest. I hope they learn a lesson. If they have not learned, they should learn a lesson. We should talk of strengthening the system and democracy. And I have been entrusted this responsibility for a short while, hopefully, as this is not my cup of tea, and my younger brother was doing a good job. He has excellent relation. He was a bridge between, I think it's not something which we need not say, it was a good bridge between the government and all the politicians and the judiciary, which needs to be kept. And the respect for the judiciary, he knew how to conduct that respect. And we also feel the judiciary should be respected because it's not easy for them to decide. There's a lot of political pressures which need to be kept away from the judiciary. If a judgment comes in our favor, we are very happy. If it does not, we criticize the judiciary, whereas we should criticize the judgment, but not the judiciary or the system. We are weakening the system by saying that. So I wish Minallah Sahab luck in his next assignment, and Amir Sahab to you in your assignment, and I'm sure and hopeful that you will set better examples and good examples. Thank you.
वफाकी वजीर कानून सरदार ऐयाज सादिक तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि जजिस और वकला का काम आसान नहीं, जजिस और वकला को सहूलियात देना हुकूमत की जिम्मेदारी है। इमरान खान ने मार्शल लॉ की बातें की, ये जमहूरियत को कमज़ोर करने के मुतरादिफ है।